Good everybody. Today I'm here to talk to you about Story, the blockchain, the world's IP blockchain. It is pretty cool. Okay, so and you might not want to miss this one. They've been on a tear on their their social media. Honestly, posting really interesting stuff. So this should grab your attention. So first of all, what is the IP blockchain? So they tokenize the world's IP, your intellectual property that is. So you can put your intellectual property online on the blockchain, and that means you can collaborate with it, with other IP to create new ones, and you can monetize your IP, which is really interesting in my opinion. So we shouldn't miss this, right? We should be jumping on this and get in there and be active. And yeah, so let's do this. So links are in the description. And like always, if you are liking this video and it helps you out, please subscribe and click that notifications. All right, so first things first, you want to make your way to their links over here, open them up so you can stake them. There's test staking. So this is still the testnet, and we're gonna add it to our MetaMask. I did run into a problem, so while I was doing this, so I'm just gonna recreate the problem so you can, if you run into it, then you know what to do. All right, so staking it, pretty interesting. Over here, the faucet here, you guys can see. So if I refresh my wallet, or not my wallet but the browser over here, it says that my browser is not verified, or it's a little sus. I'm not sure why that is, but if you run into the problem, what I did was, you will see later, I use a different browser. I use Firefox over here for my IP stuff. So opening up the links on Firefox, and we're gonna make our way to their faucet. Their faucet is the only one where you can get their native IP tokens. There's no other way. There's many faucets for other tokens like WBTC and ETH and stuff, but this is the only one for their gas one, to pay for gas. So I'm gonna punch in my password over here, unlock it, and so I did it before, and so I think I have about nine IP on in this wallet. Let's go. So slow. Waiting for the Foxy to do his thing. So here we go. I still have 9 in there, and so this is how you do it. Connect your X account. This is our block explorer. I'm not a big fan of it because I'm not sure how to use it actually. I don't know. I tried to look for my wallet, but in the past. And back to their staking. So let's go through the protocols to make sure we are active on their chain, right? All right, so the first one is PiperX, and this is a swap protocol. So in the future, if you have some IP here, you can swap it. You can also fractionalize your IP, which is really interesting, I think. So connect to my account here. This is very similar to any other swap, MetaMask, not MetaMask, but Uniswap. And I'm gonna go to their faucet, claim literally everything that I can. All right, so you know the drill. You want to make a couple of swaps. You want to supply liquidity or supply tokens to their pools. So that's what we are going to do here. So I think we claimed everything. And like I said, if you need something to pay for gas, you gotta go to the official IP faucet, as far as I know. If there's another way, please let me know in the description. And be awesome to help everybody out. All right, so we got everything. So let's make a couple of swaps here. $11,100 for 1 Bitcoin. That takes me back to the day. So you swap over here, come to the positions where you can add your liquidity. So remember, you have to use the protocol as much as you can. And once you run through the steps, once a month, just go back in there and just do it again. So you are active on chain. So if they do scrape it, then your address is there as an active one. Then also they might end up doing like a liquidity thing once main chain arrives, where you have to deposit some funds on their chain to be to where they want some more liquidity on their main chain. That's probably coming, but right now just speculation. So here you can see the different pools that you can choose from. And I'm not going to swap anything for, not swapping away or getting less IP, but you can see it's a scarce commodity, their native token. So don't swap it for anything else. All right, so I'm going to swap 50 USDC for USDT and speed it up on their testnet, and it should go through in a second or so. You can join the Discord, you can ask them some questions. Always good to do that. All right. Just gonna confirm over here. There's no completion, like a notification that the swap went through. Maybe they're missing it, but I'm pretty sure the swap did go through. So IP, I'm really excited about this. They raised, I think, 140 million in their raises so far. And so it's definitely one to keep on your radar and to farm actively. Like I said, I think I'm going to get a couple of wallets to do what I'm showing you right here, and then just once a month or once a week, just go through it, just make a couple of swaps, just so that my activity is, I'm active. All right, so I'm gonna add liquidity over here, and let's see how this goes. All right, so I've been chatting so much, not focusing. All right, so the next one over here is Unleash Protocol. Like, the links are in the description, as I said, and the guide is also in the description if you prefer working from my Twitter guide. All right, so I'm gonna supply some thing over here, and so only three projects that we can support at the moment, or that we can use. It is like a lending and borrowing, a swap, and then the last one is going to be, right, so I'm just gonna, oh, you can loop it. That's pretty interesting. The last one is an NFT or an IP NFT protocol. So here first I'm going to supply my 1 Bitcoin, wrapped Bitcoin rather, and clicking the sign over here, and then I'm going to supply it. It's nice if they offer native looping. I mean, looping in a click, or looping, and just want to see something real quick. Supply, and Okay. Let's see. All right, next. Approve. So this is number 2 on our list. And then after the next one, it is the NFT one, where we are going to mint an NFT on IP or story protocol. Just waiting for the approval to go through. So what we do over here, we supply. You can supply and then you can borrow again. I recommend, just for brevity, I only supplied, but I recommend that you borrow as well. Approve to continue. I thought I did approve. All right. Sign it, supply it, confirm. So many clicks, so little time. Let me know what you are farming down in the comments. I would love to know if you want me to make a video about something, if you want to reach out about me making a video about something that you are passionate about, or what you are working on, let me know. Reach out, please. All right, so the faucets, like I said, the same old, the same as the other one. If you want native, yeah, see, it's taking you back to the official one. Okie dokie. So here you can take a look at their markets, looping, the hook, and they also have quests, which are interesting. I don't know, I didn't look at it too much. And then we are at our last one called Color, or colormp.com, and this is an NFT, right? So what we're going to do here is we are going to mint this NFT, and super simple. Connect your wallet, made universal, I can see. Put in your email addy. So if you are a project that want to reach out to me, there's my email. You can find it in the description. I would love to make a video about your project. All right, so here we go. And we mint it. That's basically it, to be honest. This is really super cool. Don't miss it and get on it. I'm excited about this project. I think so. We're still in the testnet phase. Testnet is probably going to be a little while, and then mainnet is, I saw somewhere, it is probably going to be Q1 in 2025. So next year, January onwards. So let us see. There we go. We minted one. We can actually mint a couple, but that's it. Take a look at it. Always awesome for you guys to watch my videos. Love it. Let me know if it can help you in any other way. And this is me at their Block Explorer. Like I said, I searched for my wallet over here and I cannot find anything. That's probably just me not knowing what to do and where to look, as I am in a little bit of a hurry or at the moment. Is search, let's put it in here. Let's see. Paste my addy. See, nothing. I don't know. I'm probably looking at the wrong place. Probably. Anyway, this is me signing out. Peace. Subscribe, like, and follow, please. Do the due diligence. See ya.